We've looked a lot at how ESLint fits into the picture and how we are going to lint our code and figure out errors in our code. Now, ESLint is going to tell us and complain about errors that Prettier wants to fix. Remember that Prettier is integrated into ESLint, but we really haven't enforced this coding style into our project yet. How do we do that? We go to extensions and look for Prettier. Once we have Prettier opened, we hit install to install Prettier globally. Prettier is the opinionated code formatter. Now, how does Prettier actually work? Let's take a look. In my app.js, if I decide to shift things around, you will see that ESLint will start to complain. Now, if I hover over here and choose Quick Fix, Prettier is going to fix these problems. We can either choose to fix one line or fix all the problems. What I will show you is if you go to the settings, that is with Ctrl+, and search for format on save, and we turn this option on. Now if I do that and come in here and do a bunch of issues in my app.js file or any other file that I have my code written in, once I press Ctrl+S to save, it auto fixes all the issues. So format on save is going to run Prettier every time we save a file, and that's basically awesome. We don't have to fix each line automatically or individually. We can just use Ctrl+S and Prettier will automatically run, and that's basically awesome. Alright, now that we've set up ESLint and Prettier, we are in a good state in our project to have consistent formatting and consistent styling for our code. And that is something industry also looks for.